Hey guys, welcome. This is how to change name on WhatsApp. So, first thing is just simply go ahead and select WhatsApp on your phone or just simply open the application. Now, from here, select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and you should be able to see here the settings on the pop-up window. Now, from here, just simply go for your account directly. And as you can see, you should be able to see your information and tap on your name. You should be able to change your name over here. I'm gonna go for Delft, for example, select save, and there you go. I hope this video help you understand more, guys. And that's pretty much it. That's how to change your name on WhatsApp. If you have any more questions, guys, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.